New Zonsen Aprilia SRMax 250 on the market. The biggest change is that it has been replaced with the latest 250 cubic centimeters engine, and the configuration has also been slightly improved. The shape of the new scooter is basically the same as that of the old model. It still adopts the sport design style of the Aprilia family and is full of muscularity. The new scooter has two colors, desert yellow and deep sea blue. In terms of configuration, the new scooter has been added tire pressure monitoring, T-Box Smart IoT terminal system, and the vehicle status can be controlled from the mobile phone. At the same time, the new scooter is equipped with 1080p Ultra Dash. Clear front and rear driving recorder, built-in 32GB memory card, and support expansion of memory capacity. It eliminates the trouble of making changes later. For brakes, the front 260mm single disc is paired with opposing four-piston radial calipers, and the rear 240mm single disc is paired with twin-piston calipers equipped with a dual-channel ABS system. In terms of power, the SRMax 250 Performance GT version is equipped with a brand new 244 cubic centimeters single-cylinder water-cooled engine with a maximum power of 19.1 kW/8200 rpm and a maximum torque of 22.5 Nm/7250 rpm. Piaggio's ASR system also brings a safer driving experience to this car. The Aprilia SRMax has always been the sporting benchmark for mid-range pedals in China. Its fixed frame and suspension tuning ensure it has a ride texture similar to that of a block car. And this upgrade increased its own product strength and gave consumers another choice.